Hey, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we have the Rosewill Hive 750S gaming power supply. Now, I believe Rosewill brand is a house brand for Newegg.com, but I needed a new power supply for my desktop, and this had really great ratings, good price. This is an 80 plus bronze, so they recommend that you run it around the 80% full capacity for the best performance. 3-year warranty, which is nice, and a full modular design. So let's go ahead, take a look and see what else here. This one has 750 total watts, which is great. You can always figure out how many watts you need there's plenty of calculators online. And it has the different connectors: 20 plus 4 pin motherboard, 4 plus 4 CPU, 6 plus 2 pin PCIe, SATA connectors. There's 8 4-pin Molex connector, 4, and a 4-pin floppy connector. So there's a lot of different power choices that you have there. Go ahead, open this up. Got some good weight to it. You got your getting started guide right there, your manual. Ooh, a case, my favorite. So they give you a case in here with all your different wires. They got some of the braided closed wires here to make it easy. So very, very nice, very nice to keep them together. I mean, I have boxes that have the wires all over the place, so that's really cool to have all those different wires in one spot. Keep them together in the box, or even if you put them in storage, you can easily get to ones that you need and use it as you need it. So here is the actual power supply. Again, you got some good weight to it. There, and there you have it. So that's the power supply right there. It looks like, again, the Hive 750S, really good weight. So this is kind of cool. Most power supplies that you see have all the wires already running out of it and just a big mess in the computer. This makes it cool. You take those cables that you need and you're going to utilize and just plug them in here, and that way you have a lot less cables running through your computer and a lot less of a mess. So looking forward to checking that out, installing it, and then do some testing and let you know how it works. So that's the Rosewill Hive 750S. That's what's in the box. And thanks so much for watching. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews, and make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.